This is the Elite AP2000 avionics tower. It's a very old model with a serial port. In order to use this in X-Plane 11, I wrote a small plugin. I want to show you how it works. You need to download the plugin from the X-Plane forum and copy the files to the plugin folder of X-Plane. Once you have started, you can check whether it's connected by displaying the information screen, and you will see the COM port that it has connected to and which mappings for the buttons it's using. Now you can start using by turning the knobs, pressing the button. One feature of the plugin is that you have two mappings at disposal. For example, you see here the ADF receiver, and by default the panel is turning the standby frequency of the ADF, and then you can switch to the active frequency. But let's assume you have another airplane where there is only an ADF receiver with active frequency. You can switch the nav1, nav2 switch to the nav2, and on this mapping the ADF is mapped onto the active frequency. So if I turn now, I changed this frequency. This avionics tower originally came with a layout for the Trimble GPS, but the buttons are now mapped for the G430 in X-Plane. And as you can see, you can use the right knob to dial through the different pages. You can use the direct button, the enter button, the clear button to go back to the main page. And also the buttons below here, they are mapped one-to-one, so you can activate, you can get messages, OBS mode, and so on. To use gameport joysticks or Elite yokes, you need to calibrate them after X-Plane has started. For this, just travel the stick once through the full range. Note that the center position is being established when you start up the plugin. So during startup, leave the lever at its neutral position and don't touch it. The plugin also supports throttle units such as this one. For calibration, you need to once travel the levers through the full range after startup, like this. That's all for the moment. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.